In a world where technology meets everyday life, one innovation is setting a new standard for smart living. Meet Blaze the Panzer, made by Leanne Menna Kenzie from 10GB in Summit International School. Powered by CiviLink, our next-generation smart city platform, Blaze is more than just a robot. It's your personal helper, safety monitor, and real-time information center. At home, Blaze becomes a caring companion, whether reminding kids to do homework, keeping them away from danger zone. Blaze is always alert and ready. In schools, Blaze ensures students stay safe and classrooms stay clean. It monitors hallways, assists in emergencies, and supports teachers with routine tasks, making learning environments smarter and more secure. Blaze connects directly to the CiviLink app, giving users hands-on control with simple directional buttons. Forward, backward, left, and right for easy navigation. Want to make Blaze speak or light up in different colors? Just tap any of the speaker buttons or one of the 3 LED light buttons at the end of the screen for interactive fun and functional feedback. During emergencies, Blaze springs into action, flashing warning lights, using speaker to issue commands, and leading safe evacuations with smart path finding and obstacle avoidance. And the future updates like multilingual support, programmable button functions, and voice activation, Blaze is constantly evolving to meet tomorrow's needs. Blaze the Panzer, your trusted partner in the smart city of tomorrow, powered by CiviLink, where innovation meets care.